لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ياسين والقرآن الحكيم إنك لمن المرسلين على صراط مستقيم تنزيل العزيز الرحيم صدق الله العظيم.
City English School System is on its way to endless journey, with matchless hard work since 1995, working on basic 4 educational domains like character building, self-management, competency, and academic, which is bringing positive changes among students. To facilitate community of the surrounding areas, operating 4 big branches equipped with modern facilities of education like science and computer lab, library, modern hall and spacious playground. We are creating a trend of education through print materials and lifestyle skills. Our summer gala and Friday activities are promoting physical and mental approaches day by day, which are also beneficial for the enhancement of educational skills. We believe City English School System, a place where future of education is sound.